Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Awards are not just trophies, they are milestones that reflects discipline, dedication, and determination. Having said this, I, Ahmed Sahlan, is indeed privileged to take over this segment of the program, the award ceremony, where we celebrate the achievers who have truly excelled through hard work and consistency. Tonight is a celebration of talent, diligence, and spirit of excellence. Every smile on this stage tells a story of perseverance, steadiness, and shining potential. Let us acknowledge our stars of the year. Our first award recognizes the bright minds who have stood out in academic and shown remarkable devotion to learning. The Academic Exceller of the Year. This sets the benchmark of excellence in studies and inspires everyone around. To make this moment even more special, may I request our respected dignitary, Mariam Muhyiddin, to please come forward and present the award to our deserving awardees. Academic Excellence Award for the year 2023-2024. Montessori level, Mont 1, we have Advika Sahaj. Mont 2A, Neza Fatima. From Mont 2A, Neza Fatima. Mont 2B, Shazna Safia. Mont 2C, Ishia Miza. From Mont 3A, Fatima Shanum. And from Mont 3B, Aisha Neima Nabil. Thank you, ma'am. Now I humbly invite our eminent personality, Miss Irfana Iqbal, to confer the prizes. From primary level, we have Muhammad Abish Abdullah from grade 1A. From grade 1B, Khadija Zoya. From grade 2, Zaim Ibrahim. From grade 3, we have Shaz Talakala. A big round of applause, please. From grade 4, we have Muhammad Saman. From grade 5, we have Aisha Zanoon. Congratulations to all our achievers for your outstanding performance. Thank you, ma'am. We now move on to the Academic Excellence Awardees for the year 2024-25, who have continued to shine through dedication and perseverance. May I now respectfully invite our honorable guest K. Abdullah onto the dais to graciously present the awards and honor our achievers.
Dear parents, kindly cheer up your kids when they are having their awards.
From Montessori level, from Mont 1, we have Ahlam Sakina Aisha. From Mont 2A, we have Advika Sahaj. From Mont 2B, we have Fatima Mehreen Migdad. From Mont 2C, we have Arzu Rafi. From Mont 2D, we have Aisha Zia AK. From Mont 3A, we have Alisha Aisha. From Mont 3B, we have Alima Kiswa Khalid. Thank you, sir. Now I invite our esteemed guest, Mr. Muhammad Mansoor, sir, to present the prizes. From grade level, we have grade 1A Nafisa Shazma. From grade 1B, Aisha Neema Nabil. Grade 2A, we have Muhammad Abish Abdullah. Grade 2B, Zoya Fatima NK. From grade 3, we have Zihni Zainab. From grade 4, we have Shaz Talakala. From grade 5, we have Muhammad Saman. And from grade 6, we have Aisha Zanoon. Thank you, sir. Your achievement reflect your obligation towards learning and excellence. Dear students, each one of you is a role model for your peers. Continue to learn, grow and dream big. Once again, a huge congratulations to all our academic excellence awardees. With books as your tools and curiosity as your guide, may you continue to shine brighter every year. Consistency is the key to success and persistent to punctuality is the hallmark of discipline. Our next award celebrates those who have achieved 100% attendance, a true testament to pure loyalty and responsibility. We invite our perfect attendance achievers to the stage to receive their award. I request our guest of honor, Mr. A.B. Ibrahim, to the dais to present the award and applaud the honorees. Perfect Attendance Award for the year 2023-24 goes to Haya Hassan and Zoya Fatima from grade 1. And for the year 2024-25 is Aisha Zamir, Mon 2B and Abu Bakr Uwais and Khadija Maisha from grade 4. Thank you, sir. You remind us that showing up is the first step to greatness. Well done. Now we have reached to the most awaited moment of this award ceremony. And now, the moment that truly celebrates all-round excellence, the overall Student of the Year Award, that is Beacon of Excellence Award, which honors remarkable students who have shown brilliance not just in academics but in character, leadership and co-curricular achievements throughout the academic year. So let's put our hands together for the selected student as they grace the stage with their achievement. As we move to the most awaited segment, I respectively invite our Legislative Assembly representative, Mr. AKM Ashraf, to the stage to honor our achievers with this well-deserved award. For the academic year 2023-24, Montessori level, we have Nafisa Sazma. From primary level, we have Aisha Lehna from grade 3. And for the upper primary, we have Fauzan Faz from grade 5. Your endurance, skills and tenacity makes you a true inspiration and shining example for the entire school community. For the academic year 2024-25, from Montessori level, we have Suha Shabnam. From primary level, we have Ahnaf. From the upper primary, we have Saad Abdur Rahman. Last but not least, we are extremely proud to announce that our students have emerged victorious in All India Open Karate Championship held at Father Muller Stadium on 21st December 2025. Bagging the first place in Qatar with Saad Abdur Rahman and Shazin Ahmad Shazin from grade 5. And from grade 4, we have Shazin. Thank you, sir. Congratulations to all.
Gesture of gratitude and appreciation, I request Mr. Mansoor sir to kindly present a token of gratitude to our esteemed Honorable MLA, Mr. A.K. Mashroof sir.